grab the base ID and the table ID from this inbound calls table. And this is where the human feedback is taking place, which is why I grabbed those IDs. Okay, and now we want to make sure that we have this last modified time because that's going to be the trigger field. And then lastly, we only want to pull in records where there's actually human feedback. So if it's blank, we don't want to pull that in. And that's what that formula says. Okay, so that test event brought in a record with the test feedback. And so now what we want to do is add an Airtable search records node, and I'm going to connect it to the correct base and the correct table. So I want to connect it to the AI system message table. And I don't want to return all records. I just want to return one. And if I come back over here to my AI agent system message table, I only want to pull in the most recent or the active version. And so I can just do curly brackets, active, which is the field name in Airtable, and then close it with another curly bracket. And then we'll test that step. Okay, so you can see active equals true. So we got the correct one. And now we're going to add the actual AI agent node. And so now it's going to be able to compare the human feedback from this trigger with the current version of the system instructions here, and then make any necessary adjustments. Okay, so we're going to add a node for AI agent. I'm going to define below. Basically, the prompt is going to say existing system instructions and then have the human feedback. And then we can just drag the existing system message over and then add the human feedback from the Airtable trigger node. So if I scroll down here, it's the one called human feedback, and I'll just drop that in. Okay, so that takes care of our prompt. Now we also need to add a system message. And so I'm going to add the very robust system instructions that